day everyone. Today I will be discuss the meaning and purpose of the Article 5. Article 5. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights states, no one shall be subjected to torture or to cruel, inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment. This article means that every human being deserves to be treated with respect and compassion no matter who they are or what they have done. Its purpose is to protect human dignity by stopping governments, militaries, or any authority from abusing people through torture, violence, and humiliation. So, be respectful. Now, I'm going to show you a video where we can see an example of showing respect. So, this older brother hit the child and just ignore here. But the older sister saw that the child couldn't cross the street properly because she couldn't walk well, so she helped her cross. And this older brother also saw a woman who couldn't get it on the bus properly because she could not walk well and was using a wheelchair, so he got off the bus to carry her and help her to get on. That video shows respect for other people. Sometimes we may say people who do not show respect toward others, but we should not imitate them. Instead, we should kindly correct them so they can learn to be respectful. And when we are hurt by people too close us, we should just let it go. What we should show is our kindness and respect. When we are hurt, we should not take revenge. Let them realize on their own that why did this was wrong and that they need to show respect. Remember, we all need to respect one another so that we can have understanding and live a happy life.